All right, what is up, YouTube? What do you think, Cash?
Good.
Good. So it is a very cold day, actually. That's why he's got his hoodie on. And we're going to get some testing and some grudge racing in. Huh?
What are the racing cars for sheep?
I think you ate them all, but we'll find some if not.
Okay.
So today what we're going to do right now is we're going to load the vehicle up. We're going to load the car up. Cashy's going to go with his mommy, but we are going up north to a good spot, and we are going, there's mommy, and we are going to get some testing in on Whittey. We've got some stuff to test out, and we're going to see just how hard we can hit this thing on one of our local streets. Local being a good ways away, location not to be disclosed. So, and possibly if everybody sacks up, there may be a shootout, maybe not. There's at least 4 cars going, so we're going to try and see how that does. So stay tuned, it's going to be fun. What do you think, bud? Good?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Excited to load the car up? Help me?
Yeah.
All right, can you transition us? Put your hand over the lens. Say, can you do it? No. Okay, we'll just do it like this. unloading the car. It is the next day. Gina didn't make it out yesterday, but car did exceptionally well for testing. Won 2 races, didn't have a shootout, and
I'm really trying to focus.
so now, huh?
So I'm really trying to focus, but I can't see you.
Yeah, I know, but it's the best way because if you turn around, then you can't see us either. So the sound quality is probably a little off. The microphone's out of battery, but we're going to unload the car because it is going to be really pretty today. And yeah, and Jenna, I had to get her up off the couch watching Grey's Anatomy so that she could come. And yeah, second time. I'm not watching Grey's Anatomy again. That was crazy. There's enough. Way too much stuff. So we're gonna unload the car. Cassie's in the house asleep, and this is gonna finish off the video. So I'm gonna end her off here. Hopefully you enjoyed all the videos. It got really nice at the spot. Nice and sticky. Had a couple wheels up moments. Jenna
I
didn't
wasn't
come.
there, so I don't know. Can't relate.
Can't relate.
I will be at the next one though.
Yeah, we'll see. So that's gonna be it for today. I just wanted to include her in here because she's a pretty face. You can be the thumbnail.
Yeah.
I'll make the thumbnail.
Don't you dare.
I'll do it. I guarantee you I'll get more views. I use the pretty one for the views. So that's pretty much it for today, for this video. I appreciate it. Peace.